All right, it's just a little quickie, but so the other day I finished up my heater hoses, which, because I'll show you what ghetto-ness I had to do to get these damn things hooked up. Didn't do what I wanted to. So, I did the bulkhead underneath. I'd show you the side, but it's too dark and I'm not gonna be able to view it. So, anyways, ran these nice fancy braided lines, and they're just kind of zip tied there to kind of make sure they stay in place, and hopefully this won't put off enough heat right here to do anything with this. I'm hoping. Anyways, I got these, and my plan was to take this reusable rubber hose and push it down on the water pump barb. Well, this reusable hose is stainless steel braid over the hose and then nylon braid over that. Well, it doesn't flex enough to go over the water pump barb. Now this already is a 10 AN line. I had to get a 12 AN for this, thinking that would work. And well, it didn't. So I had to do this ghetto-ness to make it happen. I had to get a regular rubber hose clamped to the water pump, and then get a double-sided barb to convert 3/4, which is what this is, down to 5/8, which is not what this is, but it's all that would fit. And then I just clamped the out of it with this, because the barb actually the 5/8 barb actually fits loose inside of this somewhat. It doesn't press fit in, at least, like a normal barb should, but it's leak free and it holds. So until I can figure out a better method to fixing this is what I'm stuck with. I could not find, for the life of me, any just plain rubber hose that's not stainless steel core, but has this nylon braid over it. And I tried to even find nylon braid to sleeve a regular rubber hose with. Couldn't find that either. But on top of that, I'm AN fitting over here, and I couldn't find a push lock that would fit the rubber hose good. The push lock fits this perfect, because this is slightly smaller inner diameter than this. But anyways, so that's what I ended up with. This came out nice. This little 90 here for the top feed. But that's it. Tested it, it's leak free. I've driven the car. It works. So after I got that hooked up, I was like, all right, let's test this out and see if I can get, air to work. Well, I went to hit my blower motor on, and well, it didn't work. It all the temp changer worked, because I was getting hot on both sides, or both the inlet and the outlet hose on the heater box. No leaks, and I could reach on the dash and move the rheostat or whatever, and the fan blower would come on. So I contacted Vintage Air Friday. I think that was sometime in the morning, I'm guessing, or maybe it might have been Thursday night. They got back to me Friday. It was covered under warranty. They mailed out the new rheostat part that day. It showed up today. Today is Monday. So that right there impressed me, that Vintage Air could be that quick and responsive and get me the part out immediately. Like, I told them what I did to troubleshoot. They didn't question it, didn't ask it, they didn't ask for the part back. They said that, yeah, that's the problem. It's bad rheostat. We'll send you a part out. Had me a tracking number, got it to me in like 2 business days, if you want to count Saturday. 3, you can't really count Sunday. Nobody ships on Sunday, really. So 2 business days I had it. And if shipping wasn't crazy right now, it actually would have showed up Sunday, I think. I think it was supposed to arrive Sunday, which I didn't think was a thing, but anyways. Or maybe it was Saturday. It was supposed to show Saturday, sorry. So it almost happened in one day. But anyways, past that. The new one showed up today, got it replaced, and, well, it works. The one thing that I don't get and that I don't like is this, which sounds like the blower motor shorting. And it's not gonna do it now. Of course, now it doesn't want to do it. I'm not sure what that clicking is inside. I don't know if y'all can hear that on the video, but that. See my light flicker there? See the clicking? Yeah. I don't know if that's a relay tripping, or a breaker constantly tripping, or what. It's only when it's maxed out. If you back it off, then do it. But earlier, when I'd kick it straight to max, it wouldn't even, like the blower acted like it was grounded out, like it didn't want to come on. And it's not doing it now. Go figure, when I make a video. So I don't know. I'll monitor it. I might get in contact with them and ask them if they know, if they've experienced or know what it is. I really don't know what that clicking is. That kind of worries me. Tell my mixer changing. You caught the sound difference in the airflow, but yeah, not sure. But I went through the calibration thing, and maybe the calibration would fix it, because I actually tested it before I calibrated just to make sure this rheostat worked fine before I put all my dash back together, and it actually seemed to function as it was supposed to right off the bat without having to calibrate. No clue. Not doing it now. Go figure. Well, anyways, guess it's just gonna make me a liar. But regardless, I did the calibration and it still does it. The blower motor, like the controls work how they're supposed to. Just that before I pulled my phone out to make this video, of course, like I said, I would turn it to max, and it was almost like a humming. Like the blower motor wasn't blowing max. It was blowing, but nowhere near max, and it sounded like a short, kind of like a, not really an arcing, but almost like a hum, like a bad relay or something, or like a start capacitor fail when a start capacitor fails on like an AC motor or something. I don't know if anyone's ever experienced that one, but I'm sure some of you guys have. But yeah, that's the kind of the sound it was making. But it's weird because the motor was on still. It just wasn't blowing max. Yeah, give up. It's not gonna do it. I mean, it's still making my light flicker. I don't know if y'all can see that. Every time it clicks, my light flickers under the dash. Actually, I don't think that was installed when I did the last video, but yeah, I installed some under dash LED. Just that strip right there. Got my little switches hooked up. Granted, that door's open too, so it's not gonna work, but. Alright, well, I give up. Anyways, that's it for now. I'm gonna go back to messing with this door in the near future, and I'm probably gonna fix the hood. Go back to that before I do this door, more than likely, because I want the hood sealed up. I did take the car back to the alignment shop. I think I'll be bringing it back to them again, because when they first did it, it drove straight. I could let go of the steering wheel and it rolled straight. And now, after they just redid it again the other day, it seems to pull to the left. So I'll test drive it again before I take it to them, but I'm pretty sure it's still pulling, and I'm not satisfied with the amount of money I paid for it to pull. So, all right guys, thanks for watching. Adios.